There are nearly 27 strategies here. If you happen to pick any of these strategies, let me go and pick fast stochastic, which is also a very popular one. If I say OK, now this will tell me whether it's a, as of right now, whether it's a buy signal or a sell signal. Now even fast stochastic actually confirms that the last signal that it gave, which was on 19th October, was actually a buy signal. Similarly, if I go and select something like let me go pick parabolic saw, again a popular one, and I click OK. That also gives me a buy signal. Now what you see as reddish color is a buy signal. What you see as the blue or the green is the buy signal. Sorry, the previous one was a sell signal, this one is a buy signal. Now in this particular stock, as you can see, the four indicators MACD, RSI, parabolic saw and fast stochastic, all four are suggesting it's a buy. So similarly you can derive a lot more information from here. So let me exit these three. So far I have mentioned that there are 71 technical indicators, 17 candlestick patterns and nearly 27 strategies for you to derive your technical information. And if you think that's not enough, there is a tool that not too many products in this world have, is what we call the technical indicator builder, where you can go and build your own indicator. Now if you are into a bit of technical things, let me show you the help. This is the help file. You will have to code it one by one. There's a coding language. This is a proprietary coding language for ourselves, and you have to go and start typing them and build your own indicator. Maybe you can call it, put your name and use it. Now I'm pretty sure that most of you who are looking at this right now thinking, well, that sounds like a techie's job, I can't do it. Now let me just show you how easy it is for you to build your own technical indicator. Just double click here, just double click on the body, and you will have the 71 patterns, 71 indicators, 17 patterns and 27 strategies. Just pick any stock, any indicator. Let's me pick MACD and click on this pencil. If you double click there, you will see the sample code for MACD. Just see how many lines that are there for MACD. 1 2 3 4 5, just 5 lines for the entire MACD indicator. Similarly, if you happen to pick any other indicator, like let's say relative strength index, just double click here. There, this is the sample code for relative strength index. As you can see, again 1 2 3, not more than 15 lines for entire RSI. Now the point here is that if you want to build your own indicator, you can pick, there are 71 indicator examples, 17 pattern examples and 27 strategy examples. You can take the sample code and build it from there, and you can optimize it to any way you like. So this is the true power of this application. You can build any indicator that you like. Finally, there are some people who actually follows statistical models. They don't like the indicators, they like statistical models like the Fibonacci arcs, the Fibonacci fans, the Fibonacci retracement, Fibonacci price extensions. You pick 3 points and you will know where the support and resistance is, so that is available. And if you're a fan of gun, gun line, gun fan, gun grid, all that is available. And if you happen to like Andrews pitchfork, that is available. And any other statistical models like linear regression, rough regression, equidistance, standard deviation and standard error, all that is available. The point is that whatever that is popularly used in the world are made available for your convenience, so you can get the information directly. And finally, towards here you have features like notes. Let's say while you're looking at this, you happen to see that there is a rights announcements on HNB. Just put a note here saying that rights issue on 24th December, something like that, and just say okay, and you keep this note here, and the next time you will log in, you will see the information. So that is available. And let's say that you actually want to do a demonstration, maybe you want to show somebody that there is a nice trend emerging. You can use all these trend lines and arrows and so on, just can show that as you can see it's a nice trend emerging. Likewise, you can use those tools. Now this charting application is so comprehensive, I would probably need 3-4 days for you to explain, for me to explain all the features here. Now I have not touched on many of these features here. I have not clicked on any of these buttons here. There are so many that I can show you, and there are so many tools that are available on the top, which I don't have time to show you. But before I finish, let me show you just one last feature which I think you will find very interesting, and this is a feature which I think is not available in any other application anywhere in the world, but unfortunately I will not be able to prove it to you. uh, Now there is a feature called volume by price. uh, Before that, I want you to notice that here you have let me do a zoom. Okay, if you look at the corner, you can see that the price is ranging from 80, 82, 84, 86 likewise. Now let me go and pick this volume by price and click on total. Now what you see here is for each of these price bands, 80, 82, 84, 86, for each of these price bands, how much volume that this stock has done. So it tells you what are the resistance points and what are the support point. And it gets even better. You go here, go to the volume by price and select net change. It will tell you how much buying pressure, how much selling pressure that was there for each of these price bands. And ladies and gentlemen, it gets even better and better. If you happen to scroll this, it shows you for the varying times what kind of impact it had from the buying side and the sell side. Now I'm pretty sure that as a broker or maybe as an investor, with this kind of information you can derive a lot of information related to support and resistance, and this is the true power of this application. Now this is the net change, but if you want to see it as a percentage, that also can be done. So as I have said, there are many features that I want to show you, like charting templates, charting layouts, and so many other tools which I don't have the time to. I'm sure this have given you a feeling that this charting application is very comprehensive and probably top of the range. So I'm sure you will use it and derive all the benefits. Thank you very much.